why the seed of the word doesn't bear fruit. The seed of the word sown in the good soil of our hearts. Good ground is 100% fruitful ground, because it's tended by our good God. But nothing happens to that seed. Why is that? Because no rain has yet fallen on the good ground. Look at Genesis chapter 2 verse 5, no rain, no man. So no trees, no fruit. The good ground is the ground that God cares for. Nevertheless, it needs rain. What is the sweet rain that falls when it's needed? It was rumored St. Augustine's youth was spent in debauchery. Of course, he saw the word from time to time. The seed of the word was sown. But it didn't change his life. Still, his mother, Monica, did not give up on her son. She prayed with tears. And seeing such a mother, a priest said, "A child prayed for with tears is never lost." Prayer is sweet rain sown on good soil. Only when this rain of prayer falls will these seeds can sprout. So, the rain of prayer must be restored to our hearts. We must return to the seat of prayer. Amen. God bless you.